Welcome back to Bigman Tech. The reason that I bought this RayNeo Air 2 glasses has absolutely nothing to do with drones. I only use it for watching videos on trains and airplanes. Of course, you can also play games with it, but I'm not a gamer myself. One day I had a client from Belgium asking me if I can provide a solution for their DJI Matrice 300 drones. And I immediately did some tests with my RayNeo with the DJI models I could find. And I was so surprised by the results. So why do you need these glasses for your DJI drones? The reason my customer gave me is that the remote screen is not bright enough when piloting in a good weather. If you see this photo from DJI, you can see the pilots are wearing sunglasses, and you know that it's gonna make the screen even harder to read. Well, to solve this issue, of course you can buy the DJI goggles. I know they are built for this purpose and they are really good. But to me, as a Mavic pilot, I find the RayNeo glasses can be a better solution for me with some winning features. First, it is very light. It is only 76 grams and it does not need any battery. This means it is powered by your remote controller directly with the included USB Type-C cable. It is a plug and play and no pairing or binding process need to be done. Just one cable and you're good to go. Second, I had the very first DJI white goggle and I easily got so sweaty from using it during the summer. My face was sweaty, the back of my head was also sweaty, maybe just me. Third, I don't fly FPV drones and I don't need a fully dark goggles on my face. The good part of the RayNeo Air 2 is that you can have two modes. You can either have a covered glasses with a given sticker, then under this fully covered mode you will block the extra lights from the front. Or you can also peel off the stickers and you will be able to see your screen and your drone at the same time. And I call it the see-through mode. After talking about the reasons why you need this RayNeo Air 2 glasses for your DJI drones, and the rest of the video is from my compatibility test, and it will find which drone works with the RayNeo and which drone doesn't. Please let me know in the comments if you have any questions and I will try my best to cover your questions. Thank you.